In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off Gemini AI features in Gmail disable Google Workspace AI. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find the right controls in Gmail and how to switch off the Gemini-powered smart features that surface suggestions, summaries, and other AI-assisted tools across Google Workspace. Start by opening Gmail on your desktop. Look toward the top right of the page for the gear-shaped icon. That's the settings shortcut. Click it to open the Quick Settings panel. This panel shows a few common options, but for what we're doing, we need the full settings area. Inside that panel, select See All Settings. This takes you to the complete Gmail settings with multiple tabs across the top. You should land on the General tab by default. Stay on that page and scroll slowly through the options. You're looking for a section labeled something like Google Workspace Smart Features. This section controls whether Gmail and other Workspace apps can use AI-driven features such as Smart Compose, writing help, automatic summaries, and other assistants that rely on Gemini. When you find that section, look for the link that says Manage Workspace Smart Feature Settings. Click it to open the detailed controls. This is where Google consolidates the on and off switches for the AI-enabled features across services like Gmail, Calendar, Meet, and more. You'll see an option for smart features in Google Workspace. Turn this off. Depending on the interface, you may be unchecking a box or flipping a toggle. Disabling it reduces or removes AI-generated suggestions, summaries, and other proactive assistance tied to Gemini within your account. A quick tip here, turning this off focuses on your personal account level experience. It doesn't remove access for anyone else. And if you're using a work or school account with admin managed settings, some options may be grayed out. If that happens, your administrator controls those settings. Also, you can come back at any time to turn these features back on if you change your mind. After you've switched off smart features in Google Workspace, make sure you save the change. Look for the Save button and click it to apply the update. Most changes take effect quickly. If you don't notice a difference right away, refresh your Gmail tab. You may see fewer prompts, fewer generated summaries, and less predictive assistance in compose fields and other places. That's it. You navigated through Gmail settings, opened the Workspace Smart Features controls, disabled the Gemini-powered options, and saved your preferences. If you want a quieter, more manual email experience, this setting gives you exactly that, and you can always revisit it later to re-enable any AI assistance you find helpful.